Okay, Jai to all of you. Today again we are here for the practice of your group discussion. This is going to be second mock group discussion of yours, the formal one. Okay, I hope you will going to improve from the first one in this group discussion. The process is going to be the same. First of all, I am going to narrate something about the topic, and then you will be having 7 minutes in order to make a notes on that particular topic. Then after, we will have the introduction and the narration of each and every candidates. Once the narration and introduction of the last candidates is going to be finished, automatically your group discussion will going to start. Some basic point that you have to keep in mind while having the group discussion. Try to have eye contact with all of your group members. Chronologize your point in your mind before narrating that topic. Okay, feel comfortable, try to share your thought, and at the same time try to listen to others' thought as well. This is not a debate, this is the discussion. You are here for discussion on a particular topic so that you can take out some productive things regarding that topic at last of the discussion. There will be no fixed time of this discussion. It will depend on the discretion of minds or the capability of your group. But still, we have discussed about some way forward and the conclusion. I hope that you are going to mention those way forward in your notes. So your 7 minutes for making the notes starts now. Okay, time up. Let's start the narration part. Keep your copy at back side.
Jai Hind everyone, my name is Om. I am from Pratapgarh. I have completed class 12 from CBSE. Now I am pursuing BA graduation from Rajju University. There are 5 members in my family. My father is a clerk and my mother is dedicated housemaker. I have one elder sister and one younger brother. My hobby is playing cricket. I want to join Air Force because there was an attraction toward armed forces. Today we are here to discuss about a topic of one nation, one election. It refers that the election of a Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha held in once in a year, and also election of our local parties, local governments in our rural areas, election held in a once in a year. There are a 129th amendment, which 129th constitutional amendment formed by the government to make a one nation one election in our country. There are a lot of merits and demerits which will help by the one nation one election. We will talk about the merit of the one nation one election. Firstly, it help it to financial burden reduce, and second is increase the voting percentage. 5 people vote 5 times in few times. Many times government vote it makes many times to save also the time of the people. And demerits like logistic challenges faced by the peoples, issuing of the voting of the peoples, and many more. We will talk about how to be free forward to make a.
First of all, Jai Hind. My name is Ramresh. I am from Azamgarh, Uttar Pradesh. I have completed my 12th class UP board, and now I am pursuing graduation State University. There are 9 members in my family. My father is a farmer and my mother is a dedicated homemaker. My hobbies are watching movie and listening song and playing game. I want to join Indian Air Force because I want to serve our nation with respectfully. Now I would like to tell you about the topic. The topic has been assigned to me: one nation, one election. We are here to discuss on the topic one nation, one election. When the State Assembly and the Lok Sabha election will be conducted at the same time. Friends, according to me, one nation, one election is possible, but requires a lot of hard work before implementation. And we are know that India is the first largest country in world of population. So lots of require pre-arrangement. Election commission need to proper plan for it, and there are some merits and demerits. Some merits points I have, and the one nation one election, security will be the major concern for the central government, and it is very difficult to convince the opposition party on the same idea. And I have some.
Good evening, all my dear friends. I am Krishna Kumar and from Bikramganj. I completed intermediate with 87% marks. Now I am pursuing Bachelor of Science from Bikramganj. My father is businessman and my mother is housemaker. My objective career is to join because I want to put on blue worthy. Thank you. We are here to discuss on the topic is one nation and one election. One nation and one election when state assembly and Lok Sabha will be connected in same time. One nation and one election are better because we save time management and save money. And according to me, one nation and one election in one nation and one election. Our leaders have become corrupted because before election they have false promise to public voter and wine is served free from a liar. And the problem of one nation and one election is to face a school, some hospital and some places. And one nation, one election are possible, but it a lot of hard work. Thank you.
Jai Hind everyone, my name is Karishma Verma. I am from Gahmar, Gazipur. I have completed my 10th and 12th from UP board and recently I have completed my graduation BSc in PCM group, and also I have an NCC certificate in Army Wing. My father is a shopkeeper and my mother is a dedicated homemaker. I want to join Indian Air Force because I am very passionate about that blue worthy and that motto is also inspire, touch the sky with glory. Today's topic is one nation, one election, which means Lok Sabha and Raj Sabha and local elections are held in one time. Well, we all know that everything have their merits and demerits. First, I would like to discuss merits. It will increase the voting percentage. Well, people are not available always on the voting spot, but when they know that voting is once in a 5 year, they have to come and vote them, and it will also reduce the cost. And I would like to discuss demerit. India is a populated country, so if we want to conduct a one day election, it is a big challenge. But if we want to do this, we have to work on these policies and consultation of Parliament, and then we can do this. Thank you.
I would tell you about the topic which has been assigned to me. One nation, one election. One nation, one election is a proposal in India to synchronize all elections. And one nation, one election means when Vidhan Sabha and Lok Sabha elections will be conducted at the same time, as well as local elections. And my dear friends, the idea one nation, one election is not new in India. It was followed in India from 1951 to 1967, but it was disrupted in 1968 due to the premature dissolution of legislative assemblies. And my dear friends, according to the Coven Committee report, the elections of Vidhan Sabha and Lok Sabha will be held in simultaneously, and the elections of local panchayats within the 100 days of commencements. And one nation, one election have also merits, some merits and demerits. If I
When the one nation one election execute in India, then the governments focus on development activities and less disruption and cost savings.
And the major problem of our country at the same time conducted the one nation one election, and the government has spent the main amount of huge amount.
As our healthy discussion, we will also come on the point of it because there are some brief forward to make our one nation one election become in our happen in our country. Firstly, gentlemen, just number 237 also ensured the pilot project like to aware the people, collection of the fund, and also making the EVM machine to high.
Okay, so what do you think? How was the performance today? Are you satisfied with your performance? Not so good. Let's see.
Only well.
Only well. Okay, chest number 224. That's you, no? Okay, introduction was okay, but eye contact is not with all group members. Seeing up and down and here and there, not having the eye contact with all of your group members. stuck in between the narration and finally stopped, gave up. Okay, at least you are stucking, you are finding difficult to give your points, but still try for that. एकदम से रुक के जय हिंद और थैंक यू नहीं कर देने का, गिव अप नहीं करने का. If I am giving you that 1 minute 30 seconds, try to utilize that one. Okay? इंट्रोडक्शन तक ठीक था, बट नरेशन में आने के बाद प्रॉब्लम बढ़ गई थी. सेम थिंग विथ योर ग्रुप डिस्कशन एज वेल. यू आर लैकिंग विद द कम्युनिकेशन. प्लीज़ ट्राई टू वर्क. पहले से काफ़ी इंप्रूव हुआ है, 2-4 ग्रुप डिस्कशन में वो चीज़ें और हो जाएंगी मे बी. ओके, ट्राई टू फ्रेम योर थॉट्स इन योर माइंड बिफोर स्पीकिंग. व्हाट पॉइंट्स आई वांट टू स्पीक.
सर जिसको जो हमको पढ़ लिया था वो किसी ने बोल दिया था, इसलिए हमने
इसीलिए कंटेंट देते हैं. आपका पॉइंट कोई और बोल दिया तो आपके पास दूसरे पॉइंट होने चाहिए. ठीक, ज़्यादातर जो मैंने अभी पिछले 2 मिनट 3 मिनट के नरेशन में बताया वही लगभग सभी लोग ने बताया. इसके अलावा बहुत सारे कंटेंट दिए. कुछ लोगों ने हिस्ट्री लेके आई, कुछ लोगों ने वे फॉरवर्ड लेके आया. दैट वाज गुड.
सर वो टॉपिक रिपीट नहीं कर सकते, जो टॉपिक वो बोलते हैं वो रिपीट नहीं कर सकते.
रिपीट करने को कर सकते हैं, बट कोशिश कीजिए अपना कुछ लेके आने को. ओके, इट विल बी मोर प्रोडक्टिव. ओके, subjected to 1 or more practice, then you can clear your GD. Next, 210. Introduction. 110. Introduction was okay, but in the narration part, कुछ basic mistake थी, कुछ factual mistake था. Not once in a year, once in 5 years it was. And continuously was saying that once in a year. सोच के बोलो क्या बोल रहे हो, ठीक है. Fluency was okay, eye contact was okay. डेफिनेशन भी दिया, मेरिट डिमेरिट की बात की, कंटेंट ठीक था, उसमें प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. ग्रुप डिस्कशन में आपने इनिशिएट किया था, और बट डोंट ट्राई टू कंक्लूड. एज आई हैव टोल्ड यू इन द ब्रीफिंग पार्ट ओनली, देयर विल बी नो एंड ऑफ दिस ग्रुप डिस्कशन. इट विल डिपेंड ऑन माई डिस्कशन. वो मेरे विवेक पे निर्भर करेगा हम कब खत्म करना चाहते हैं. डोंट ट्राई टू कंक्लूड द डिस्कशन. ओके, लेट्स पार्टिसिपेशन इन द ग्रुप डिस्कशन वाज ओके, and performance in your narration and the introduction was okay. Probable candidate to get in. Next, 237.
So how to contact with our partner side?
I'll take those questions after this class, okay? No more cross question regarding that particular thing. 237. Introduction was okay, but raise your voice little bit. वो थोड़ा सा कम था. बाकी ग्रुप मेंबर्स के हिसाब से वो वॉइस थोड़ा कम. यहाँ तो 15 लोग हैं, उधर 20 होंगे, बड़ा सर्कल बनेगा, कैसा अपने आवाज़ को पहुँचाओगे. रेज़ योर वॉइस. ऑलवेज ट्राई टू हैव आई कॉन्टैक्ट विद ऑल ऑफ योर ग्रुप मेंबर्स. यू ऑल्सो वर नॉट हैविंग द आई कॉन्टैक्ट विद द ग्रुप मेंबर्स. अप एंड डाउन, हियर एंड देयर. कंटेंट ओके था. लास्ट में जाके थोड़ा सा फिलर्स आने लगे थे. लास्ट के पार्ट में आना लगा था नरेशन के बीच में. Participation in the group discussion was okay, but try to cooperate, try to listen them as well. First half में आप dominate कर रहे थे, ऐसे नहीं होगा. You are here for the group discussion, not for the debate. Let them speak. You are having plenty of the time to represent yourself. Okay, try to cooperate. You are having the good content. Rest of all the things are okay. 138. Try to participate in the group discussion as well. Less participation in the group discussion. Okay. Tell them कि मैं क्या कहना चाह रहा हूँ कॉन्फिडेंटली. 205. इंट्रोडक्शन ओके. नरेशन में थोड़ा सा काम करने की ज़रूरत है. ग्रुप डिस्कशन में पार्टिसिपेशन बहुत लो था. मौका देने पे फिर आप आए, लेकिन आप बहुत इफेक्टिव नहीं हो पाए. ग्रुप मेंबर्स पे आपका इम्पैक्ट बहुत नहीं हो पाए. ट्राई टू इम्प्रूव, ट्राई टू हैव द प्रैक्टिस. उन चेयर्स पे जब बैठ के प्रैक्टिस करोगे तो उसका रिजल्ट इन चेयर्स पे दिखेगा, और इसका जो परफॉर्मेंस है वो सीधे आपके रियल जीडी में होगा. ओके, इफ़ यू आर गोइंग टू मेक इट हियर, लेट मी मेक यू वेरी क्लियर. अगर मुझसे ओके ले लोगे तो वहाँ शायद आपको इन होने से शायद ही कोई रोक पाए. ओके, बट इट्स हार्ड टू गेट ओके फ्रॉम माई साइड. Rest, we are going to have again the group practice of the group discussion in the next week, probably on the next Saturday. Okay, till then please prepare well. Till then, have a nice day. Jai Hind.